Some kwaba from no 2 for TV plus so. Ebusia ene U10 bi aba eye asem wanwa pa. Me no ka say CCA enkoma eba ene U10 aba CCA ene se eye maami Akosua Serwaa dade lumba yele peninim. Ene ebusia ne lawyer baako a wayo ba wakasa mano ene waye U10 a wakasa Ediama odobruni na nensama wokati ya watwem na ne se afi and watna se aye hwehwemu akonkra temu aye underground investigation abusebusa ensemu ababe hu se ne client ye maami Akosua Serwaa no case na koso bitin woni odobruni ne kuratwe ene ntokwa ne manso ni nyina no the client maami Akosua Serwaa edi 400% na ebusia edi ntira ya bakwa akwaji nchemu no na nensama wo se ka bi ene legally no maami Akosua Serwaa enye owalefo a opeso kire se maami Akosua Serwaa yenware no na enti a wo kasa no akirechire ni nyina mu maako a me pese o ka me ho kwaji nchiremu no ebesisie
anything ebre no we can hear demand
cardio imagine some do to na me na I don't know me who so for omode so for bi ba so ana omuzanse o so ba beja ne na ene ho na wadi eyiri omubusa ne say eti maami Akosua eja na busua wodi dad lumba echi ba what's there be eti a ho kwa say ke mu twa asam no so
because also for me do me who so ne baby propaganda we damage control na
come let them know
Mama enti odi we nento aso maami Akosua Serwaa appetu na mama enti we nento aso bia obi anyam appetu no damage control for ni no appetu for no mo na osuru nyina ibusi na so mo pe no ko mo hwe nanim
mo papa beg
nyankopon isra na ba bia obi on fa ne nsento afomaso ofuafo ani osuru nyankopon nya sase so sakese nyankopon sakata so a esa ben biem na obisu
uti o
legal wise ma mo fefo ma konofo
chebe ma do se legal fo so no ti oro oni yiri o ge kro oni bi o
atnasi
nti apietu
awari amo man Ghana tu
o ka pesi
ya Ghana impuntu bi ni bebia
chero no chire
ni che looking holes we bra enam senti amma Ghana imrantie maba webianka omya brimpon abra boy basa na asem we no mitamina nanka yakojogi aba ema yene na hinka foundation yakojire mu na mabetra kwa
nti o be try true
na no asemi ya edi court ya jeje ebu asem wi complainant akofie ama defendant ama but ni be juju no na lawyer for ni bikine mu ama complainant juju no na lawyer for juju ni asia frese ensakesi nye ba ku ensakesi
we shall enti bi when she say we do na man ko sko ni nyansa
Unim say Asante good morning Kili good morning Unim say they be appear to snow a year will be live so I mean him say appear to stay or bonyum no
David we na we David we amana 10,000 na wato isi amano nti damage control no na mo ye damage control ono ba you say isi on to bi da nti no kotena uhwe bema we de kanokro anka bema wo yiri o responsible de kanokro
me ama nwanwa mema no kra na nwanwa obi abon fire Sarah de say ubenya tama
Yari
dawo nipa obehwe
yes
me say me papa won me papa
mo tap yan ko
yare na wansia me maame a wansia me maame a obi ama me so be obi dawo pa yare dawo a obehwe no sister ya sin bibia
Ali Lu sene
madam how
ya so wuni no wose
mamu hamu hola yani ni wane bre
I think say sisiano ye de ye kasa ye kanekwa ba mo amukasa ye dre nim kakra no think say it was say speech be bad in the bank because in I mean na map no slami copy ba could be so almost say so US a year on the US na on NODC me I think say na ye lady here on if you shall queen refinity
Aisha Modi.
yes
I'm in a depression woman.
Okay.
No few. Some of them cast mama fan serious. Mama hamu. Omo no juma no mu you. Oh, as omo nti mama me omo no me few omo because
the way they talk as if they have every evidence in their hands.
Debbie. Omo de me few omo kromo de fi ni kitre.
Odo bro ni fie na ba na we su fa ko te wa fi.
Omo boa. Omo nyina anka ka chantu ku no twan tro cross obi o wiase. Ano ba mo fi ni krono de ka de kura.
Na Twini Jonas enkonko hwehwe odo bro ni nchire no enko de potene ma Trump. Bisi we na ka say.
Debbie ago na say komodi na say ubon komo bia na obechu de bon komo. Me si we legal wife na we ni bia na wo unim nyansa ka ba de wa fa ho adwen. Is we legal wife a unim nyansa because as simple as ABCD. What you say? Obodo bro no nam ni baby. Na papa na be pay no. On papa na tina. Seba akwano ye side chick be betra so no bebu bebiri. Ye na ni side chicks na onu skoma ji eko.
Na me say me side chick. I want side chick na hono ne ya bia odo bro ni.
Good morning.
Na hono ne ya bia.
On side chick on show wig da.
One side chick had a wig. Na kamera me nya side me nya lumba. And Miss Madam for a few I talk amount. I'm talk about omo. It's again or sa hair radi ya from the kwa Canadian.
Na me kan kwa ka
Canadian. Mutsna se. Sanka again no Columbus so go pe bibia. Nti na wona na ya bia.
Se na me ka chiro bia.
Pacho Asante say obi no efri mu a. E no kire say want to mean to kind.
I'm good.
Hey,
how many years?
Me see omo no.
So for years, mama so for bia. One in the recent fridge mat 21 when you
wako worry.
No, I know so mobile can't be
Then I make us omo no. O say legal wife no. When I mean legal for no.
It's a money to quite.
Nkomo no go
no money to quite.
Legal wife for no dey me so di omo chia na we be
omo the baby bia fuck
who the cockroach? Mama ya coach for na pena.
I don't believe for kwa life for mo. Omo se mi om the baby en fa kwen.
Na me catch us Twini kitre. Omo ni fika ho. Na on se sa ti ku no mba ntro no mu twa. Omo tuki. Omo kan ko mu twa ntro.
E ma ni tu kwan ya na.
Ntro no mu twa.
E ma ni tu kwan.
Brother B Jones yantie we.
Be share form.
Brother na share form no.
Ana we
hu. Cause o share wa edi. On say na make am ntwa dwumede no so. Ende de me catch them say so we odobro ni aka wakoma 2 years. Say odobro ni wa America and odobro ni na makopa go say wa ba ye dwane. On say o ma ye ki.
Me say MP NDC ni ya onu subu ye. Ni kunu no ye na iwe oba ne nwale.
Ye de mo kan ye nti. Yomo kan ye nti. No be say mo chose.
So for na o pretty e kire nkwade e kire bone ye yi no. Na yire se fridge mo awale.
Please can I come up here? You can come and share
So for no so nani ade.
Hey, sister.
Reverend no on kaka no na mo damage control. On sendro no ka to so.
Emi so bi so person oba so.
Maka so request na ke.
Ndro Michiano legal wife no ti ono no aka ni na to so. So no waka nta mi so no so oba. Nti oba mu ba sida oba mama mu go ni so. Mu de go ni so because on papa. U queen Emma bi uti baby say u bo bi data. U queen Emma
Actually, be patch request in a bride.
Who queen Emma Abruwa we queen Emma Abruwa who see down a bobby data. Never bet to who queen Emma who have now one way make up on to me trans. What do you mean we got chia? Weeks are chia. Some person you ever concern a pen pepe because once a double no dream who Muna Mojo no home. In the debut team legal wife and I say and the debut the story nearby no priga who was to canoe general no double one of papa. Or no I will say square only one of papa. Oh no, I was 6 no. Thank you for the roses. One your papa. Washanti ko yanka no kre. Uno do boni jina wa na obema be yinu. Jina mun jimu fie hu. Mun jimu fie hu. Wo be se mo chese muna moni ate. Muna moni ate ba bo. Emfa.
Hey.
Emfa. Ye wa ade.
They are na say mo odobred won na no ne kasa wo.
Debi no any time ma
won face. Sorry na me so mami Akosua Serwaa. Enkrofo na ye but obabeda ase da mo say so she akiri.
Na o she akiri.
And so say personal odobred no me kasa ye.
Onsuma ye mo bi onsuma obi apo ye.
Onsuma obi.
Onsuma ye po.
Hey.
Obi aye bia no obi aye na de no ye. Mon pa tape life me enko na akwa be fa no kogu Kristo mo nyina mo be ma na nya ta mo mamu yo nya ta mo mamu yo because mo jimi nya ta mo mamu yo
aya samo odobro
dia mo yo no obi ehu mu
what to be ma
ebujavo
yes
biche won already asem dwenka obi a
enka won susu empower dia obi a ka na obeka na fili
brabo ifie se wo fufie a ya tete wo mu a mo fa ncha me ndo ameka fante but em se no bi anti fante kasa na mu odu na se wo fufie a ya tete e wo fie a wow upia bonte a unimdie ne wa brabo na kire na abayo no daddy lumba nyo no kopia daddy lumbo
thank you
lumba ote ho no o wadwe ni nyansa
ndi ope
me ne bie na dwunu mu do papa no se wutie lumba nyuma obewu se abrante na dwunu mu do nya me ma ne nyansa a odi ye bibia papa yete wono mu sa wo wa asomdwe a obetena bebi asomdwe wo fa kwa wote no sa asomdwe wo ho no obetena ase e wa sa asomdwe ho uti ya hwehwe sister no odobroni embre oba lumba na brabom wote se lumba ni obi akowo aka no ho ana suban eni ntete editi akwala no muso bra no ase ama papa no salumba se efun tumi bie na no kasa nkobedi ge no ho adanse eti enome nsama yakagu ge no ho nyina enanya kopon adomo da so te ase lumba se lumba oba ge na bra lumba ko fa ge no so musuban bi wono a nko jani ten eti akwala no sister no wonte na no kasa na sibia na ho brasiet enti na me pe na asem no always be me bompa ye ma no ne me busu no ye mu bi no nye ye busu no but sani akwala de bre no ho ase ena ye mbi se adie ben kura na wo sister na adwunu mu ama me na ye fa na Akosua se wo no adie na wo na adwunu mu eti lumba ni sister nam o kire no asemu o show no se ne yere wontumi mbibie wano ankasa ofunu da hono mu no a ende wuku no asembi wo hono mu a wodi ba ye mfantimemu anase wo kwa ahonamemu ananzememu a wontumi kwaya sade we yo
debi anfa
wontumi anya possible say wo betumi atena hono mu a ba ma na wu na wo bekasa wuku no who tell you ankar kura suma on ni podo suma say bebie wa na kasa brante ne ye wuku beka yare da wano de we hu se wukunu no yare da wano hwe bra si e show bi yare da wo den penimpa wa ko toilet na wa sha bros na wuyi senior emu ye den wentumi ahwe ne yare da wano mu na wo be jira wano mu na me ye ni obi sha abrabo ase abrabo ne ye sha ase no se enyama nkwa yi awuja no ho wonto aso abrabo na wo bano se nyama koyi abra wo beto aso but ankoyi wo beja wechi wontumi nto aso minu nyama bebre mu nyina bo binu wa kontobi ro Ghana ama abrabo wo bano baba wo free se nyama wo ye se nye ya wontumi ntena wo ana wo ton ade na wo ton no se nkoyi a wo beda ne wa kwan afa bibi e betumi aboa de koyi mu no betena wo siesie papa ne tiasia no wontumi amba yare da won wontumi amba wa ma kire se me ye legal wife me purpose ni iti soro wo me ba be hwe me ku one na wo ba ko mienu 7 me ya tawo nti je bi wo hono ma wudi di obi ya na ye me ya sometimes ni ye sa wo mu amuto wonum sa tim legal wife so muto honum na sa wo mu ko wo mu da
no almost Sariana Pano Mudine, Diana or Mutino, said Janine to me Casacha one. Papa, so Monsieur Bibi, yes, oh, Abramona Yabonende, Yakaya the Dawan no more. I can tell you why you. It is so Musudinichi. I may be sure no one day now. A radical Munina say, a bribia Mokuma sister no. A radical Shiramu, no what to one condemn and then no cry. A radical Shiramu. Say na Mecca, Madame Watson.
I mean, Mr. Kufo.
Yes, sir.
Oh, dear. Moko,
Yes. Sandra Nekasanamia.
Oh, the Casamami answer Sandra. Sandra Chairman, Makufon Casa Sababa.
Okay.
I told me will break my main Casana Menko.
Okay, Casa.
I told me be a good morning.
Good morning.
Me patrol the question be me so. I'm saying running sir Queen Nemo se one. What the people be able to about is a double new application be a to quire away. I know incredible man.
Oh, boy, if you know, no, I copy a page, no Casaboa. Now say, I'm going to be I dey achop paper myself for paper ni yebra na fa call. Now those I say obi an so obo akra ni say UK enko interview po. What you say? Who apply when my go straight into obi an so obo. Mamu ono school kwa nko bi hwe ne brofo. Hwe ne so no ka ne brofo. Ne so no kin kan dey. Mamu fi omo.
Very bad.
Mamu fi omo just say na you see you be say what's your address? Or say Kinshasa. And they be say how many who is this to you? What I go embassy ben. Madam, this one moment, what you want to find out? What I say, you your trust level, no, and try na ucha. Emba, mamu fiku ye manu kono wa da kura no aburo bi ko atwepons munjano. No.
Me that's
Kufo yenko.
Okay. The me kan nyina kakra me kan say team legal wife. I no more can appeal some no dey. Me see me I can bet on it. They be am kasa say me say me nim do betimi aka say yam bet on it with any amount. Say omuntimi nko appeal bia o.
Oh, that was a moment.
Omuntimi nko appeal no 40%. Na say mpo mo konso a so mbe lusu no 99.9%. And mpo mutimi akono because there isn't any document be a new document be omo de kind omo de edi kan de buy no nti de na chese omo ko appeal bi ma bia yi and entro and when me tie bi pa na me bisam say eh nti say we gonna for your evil sir me nim say say from ba wo na me say Ghanaians some of us are so evil na say be o yes na akusi sen mami yankasa e friend lady ba ko okuma mami abeka se o se penifo di atemne de omonte so na kwaku Kristo be gina waka se bema paaw bema beka sai ono de oba waso tokom na se mami ne beka se fia won de sa de obetina na de bende me na we kokuma no asem okran ye no enche bebam kokuma du ka se mami ne no ma 10 ya o se bi se di mami na tem no ono aka se bemu ni se Yesu yodo isi me dey be American entina na me bo abaso no kili entina me bo abaso no because e bia na ye mu bi no se dey akoma e bia me metu ohun akoma me dey tie odobo ni achi na bia kili uni bi but when your platform a dey bia be so ye den o da na di dey make part what masipa aha e bia odo ame woman no e bia mo odo be ya be 90% e bia metu ma se bia wo bia be 50 but wo dey bia o platform no e bo dawuru e bia me dey nya kwan ye dey so odo ene dey metu ma ye afa odobroni ho abintimi kind of platform is so yes me can we are running big I'm being honest with you some man control me ho a ade a meme kufo metima ye won kufo bi wa eno ma bi omo ye no se me hie bi a ebi one on one se ya wo ade a metima ye no ha me kwa godam na so sebe enye kwose binti
yes
na me be ma me mabrabo akosai
David
we mu nyina na to da na ye dwene ho a e bia me kan ntaskoko ho pani focus bi obi anu obi anya kila nche obi awo nemo bia na tienie adwembo na obi atimbo obi woro ma osori na eba ne se oni onyi obi nya problem otwese kan a onyine hwe na ode ye de opeso ode ye
yes
obi no so otwese kan na bibia banti ada bi ebi mpo ame ma me mpotese makoyo ebi amenua bi ebi obi ame fere ni bi eno na ma difference ba na se obi anya koma nche obi a
David
just that say obi wa ma bibi so a obadwen ni obi wants to ungrateful because that person has nothing to lose. Immediately and saying, no platform, so I say, me come and because me say a week, me bad 3 weeks ago. Now me come for life, so can be any problem. Oh my come on, me can be because say me put me fully said when him say the papa him say no kureni. No, hey, mommy and kasa mati me from brocha ba ye. Stop. I feel there must be an inciting cry. Oh, Charlie, okay, you heard your mom be a ye we are see you. You should not be a ye we are seeing. I doubt you're so to a boy a child so frown. And yes, I don't know perfume. And when they come online and they come live, they think they they speak like about accents as if say they are the only people that can speak English. Hey, Charlie. And your bro, how can I just do in Yansa? No. And your bro, you will feel Yansa. You will say your symbol with me analyze your sim. No, what's in my biasi. I don't know just what you do. It's immediate. Monya daje. Let's say we be a platform. No cracker. Sorry, no cracker crab. We be aka. Ama yesi eti maba subino. Na mishra mo pa. Na mishra mo sepa. Bi o support do mo ni biano. Na mishra. Na woni. Ade ba ko ma woni say see am me ba out. Ayeka say okay, they should cease fire. Woni say Timodo ni bienu a obedi di mamena tem. Anaso obedi di oma. Almost supporting at because a piece na heading. Yeah, as you any prepare. As you will be for nobody about Montis, see, because all the Australia, your crowds, yes, you just swap. Who say, Miss Mediatum? And I don't know difference, no. I was I in trench position on Matikino. You're moving, what's your difference now? And why you know Montemo? The medium because a mighty one, some more canoe. You don't need to move Kuno Machi. More Bema, your cousin Bema. I don't know how people understand. Bema pa.
Oh, Kuno try inside your mouth. Debbie.
Nedebe Ghana esikoi. Nedebe adeni. Kiri. Mure no mabi ye o. Se mama ware munya ware. Mure no mabi ye o. Because life no, and then after the lumba o. It's never true. If I say because be some raso.
Yeah. I say we should worry you. But that was mama ko user me to user yanko. Good morning.
Pastor media me se de bia ma sem bisa na me de ne nam ne se ye ma me Akosua se wa ne kawa no media Moses odobro ni ko US I Trump invite no dinner nti onko so ko UK I yepe Prince invite no nti oko UK onko me say so odobro ni person oko the whole world that she can go any obi a case na me hu ayarefo asefo ayarefo aya no mokotina hotie sa na ema we you because odobro ni so oko Britain and I say UK embassy be na ba ka check ne ma ne wig said ya de atu nsuo ma say ya hye ne tiri so.
Thank you Mr.
Embassy be na ba ka check so odobro ni aba ha no so oko UK eya na yarefo no mokotena no omadwi nsu adodo nti omafo omo se mmoa no dada omo sika no mogigi ya no mudi amutimi mmisa omo hwasem omo mbu kunta nkyere mo oto na ye sabio ye de mo adwi di agro because yes the IQ is very low and it's at work. You guys are behaving as if sabio en kwala bi na ye frefra mo ye de omo ekobo frefra kobo game wo ho no mo frefra kobo game na omo ball that pack no so enkola frefre kobo game and omo ball ho no mo now why they determine how odobro should live her life.
Thank you.
Why now also say oba be chiro odobro ni send on bona brabo
what I to say mpacho mi na odobro ni me come so mu passamenti mu pa papa etia u odobro ni ma me kan chop platform ese motakoso mo say sister better our platform mu konku tie nyansa what you say because o ko be fa be free mu ye kire wa ewiase just stand now, but no be on follow no munko ya munko na platform munko tie nyansa ma munko tie nko no mo de wig achi adede nko a what you say na
na me bi so mo senti we mo ne mema neti ashanti queen on bema neti
omo nyino bia no
me no ye ble na net ojo no ho no on bema neti
Debbie.
Obi atimi ne bema ba kwa tena ho no ma won kola 7 no that's what we are talking about. Wetimi ne bema ba ko pe awon kola 7
Eh? It's not a joke because Papa na Ayeka, we know say he's very controversial. Be ma be on ma when ya or your banner when ya Brasilia, no matter how beautiful you are, no. Onti me no want na.
Good.
Because our person do share na say no yeah said your pay. Then that is how the lady has been. You get it? Into na Papa neti me na tina be pim when then na oba bi ma me kan chere say Papa ne odobro ni tina echi no san ba di ebe di ne chika ho.
Bien ho.
Oba bi ma me kan chere say Papa ne odobro ni tina ye no osan ne ko wo ye na ye nhwe.
Bien ho.
Aden Obia want a choice in this life. Me so bet me ni Obia start abrabo, but you may not end up with the person. You will not end with him. And I say, hey, see, you mo be pray, you papa no money ma be pray nanti ansa no money ma me no ba be we no so e. We are say should come to an end na. No. Because that is how life is. We are in the day you can't change it. And I mean, tears here cry and I didn't know Papa tears you didn't come and fight him. Why are you fighting over a dead body? A body that has been buried. What is it? What does this woman want to earn in this life? Nipa na won in the start here till death do us part until you don't have anything to do with him again. Na me kwa me say adenti na medi obi a o si okwakwche obi funu ho se me kwa kwaje se me ne oye me kunu nti no wo de injunction kwa kwatu ni funu so akani be na chira
user be ba che obi bisa asem bi wa ha o na se maami Akosua Serwaa ye sielum ba wi nti ne ring na o ye wife no ne ring no be ye ne day
maybe so or call Ghana so or call for appeal say yankoyi papa na the kawa no nkoyi mana na the stress these people are putting on Ghana is too much. The noise is the stupidity is too much, and people have to sit up and tell them say they are misbehaving. They are really fooling themselves.
Stress on them, papa ni jawa we. Ring no one found on the stress.
On the papa ni jawa. Said they are not the papa ni. Me say she didn't give the man peace of mind for what she was doing. Wama ye wusa wama papa ni nyasum dwe wonu.
Papa chomo hodi on kakra. User hold mama kakra. Why hold mama kana mama your vice president abeta obi.
One no broni tna ye won so obi aba say wo saw wo entan wa bonten. One no broni dia na ye last.
But chomo hodi o mama na yan clarify bibi kitolu ase. Star better good morning.
Good morning, City Pie to say.
Nyame adom boko. And about the entire say because we said to now ability for no be adom for na tie because who kasa tie. Almost see say odobro ni dane fi Ghana onyim wakot na America. So because so on. Yes, say tie fi wa no. They take it from there.
Yes, more. As for depression, they are very real in life.
Thank you.
Say me back up me be at them and I'm your original side chick president. First of all, I'm not sure exactly what Akosua Serwaa is looking for. Like I had stated way before, Akosua Serwaa has no legal grounds to anything she's doing in Ghana. On ground to say, Akosua Serwaa, when you're Ghanaian, well, you're a German citizen. And to know Akosua Serwaa legal rights in Ghana is very limited. Say eba emra kwanswa. Now, like I always say, beginning of the court case is what made her think say she has any legal grounds in Ghana to do anything. Because ewa brochwe say ewa brochwe na sebe asembiara esi regardless what the person has done. And let's say I posted about the Italian laws for obia ohiamwa. Regardless how bema no obeye wono unya amanie bia na munyina moye awohoa. First and foremost place you start your case from is where you are domiciled at, which is Germany for both of them. Even if Daddy Lumba had domiciled in Ghana for those amount of years, as Akosua Serwaa had claimed to say, or your legal wife, no, she should have started from Germany. Because she's a legally residential resident in Germany, not in Ghana. She comes to Ghana either on a visa or with a Ghana card, and in her case, on a visa. And it's not only legal ground to be as or best start case biara wa Ghana. But when we say the reason their noises was loud was because they know when it comes to the Ghanaian laws, sometimes social media might play a role to some extent. Na at the full emphasis of the laws, but na social media noise. No, most judges will turn to give petty ruling to subdue the crowd's anger. And in omu case, they didn't know more no more didi attempt, no more and yoma bebrino. And my court, no, allow certain laws that they use in certain cases. And override the actual laws that should have gone for her. Grounds was saying she knows so many people. And now onim enkrofo a medium. And since she started, we have all been aware, she's not the type of person that will let anything go. Or you're very conniving, or you're calculative. And now, or sanso, or you're the type now, unforgiving. One of the things that we always realize after the death of a prominent person is that side chicks, any girlfriends with children would emerge after the death of a very big person. No more be claim inheritance. Sometimes they bring children, sometimes they do other things. Ghana, or no, so you're about paying. Allergies like that, you will be. Allergy Jawula, you will be. And paying for people, you will say, Nasana, no more uncle for the crowd background, not just a mood date or more money or more that, but to move yen and in a PA. You see, when it comes to the laws, there are certain things one must do in order for you to be in your legal directives. Nana say, no. So the law is see and talk, know and report. And when they started initially, they were talking about bigamy and that Lumba committee bigamy and that Lumba committee bigamy. So bigamy laws will not even have worked for her because Daddy Lumba had not hidden Odobroni in any way. He had showcased Odobroni from the year 2010 up till his death. His presence in that girl's life or her presence in his life was very loud on every platform. He when from 2012 every performance that Lumba did, either Odobroni was on stage sitting down or she was right in front of the role for that performance or that particular show. And it's not like say Akosua say wada na se be yashru na duro no wada no tinani and who said that Lumba e de oba bia showcase into aba forward or ba abekon. You see, the laws prevent her from doing so many things. Casey started here, or mobile, and you can't sing the track I shut that Lumba, Funo, when we say Bushia for that was something what the idiot. Or by say the tracker, I shall from say Funo creating baby me. Then initially they came, I'm perceiving Funo, then they came again, already upon Gina too, and I'm going to see in a man. They always state things that would instigate and also bring about chaos. They always want to dwell on fear, panic, and chaos. And people like this, you don't take them serious. Number one, what app you see? What we Jumano? Sometimes we Jumon pone ya we are one what app you see. Some be him. No because I know see Jumon. But you see see these people calling themselves Team Legal Wives. Most of them don't have jobs. So they stay online for more than 10 hours, 12 hours, because this is how they eat. When you stay online for a very long time, ube reach a certain amount of people and a number of people on TikTok, you get paid for the hours you spend on TikTok. And they are just taking a cruise or a piss on people because they need you to continue to come to their page with all the nonsense that they state. What you say? On legal grounds, no, Akosua Serwaa doesn't have any legal means to file for anything. Like I said, courts in a petty ruling based on the fact to say Daddy Lumba's words, and this is from the court filing that came out. That Lumba's word that he had stated, that was on referencing to a drew Ayeka Akosua Serwaa ayeno. But because of courts in APPs in you should that claim to indicate to say, okay, say net here. Say about legal means that Ebusiafon had indicated and her own law a letter in 2018 by a lawyer from her side had indicated say what the drinks are come Ebusiafo into one customary marriage for no. What Germany or Europe no on documentational filings or presentation. That is, the European Union have formed a group in order to make things simple for everybody. You have to apostille your documentation before you bring it to them. And to document to be, in order for them to find it quickly, you have to go to the right places, present it to the embassies that are there. The embassies will translate it and then directly send it to the court whilst it is still sealed with the red seal. One go through Ningina. Her lawyers had indicated online say a time constraint na Emma any problem to present the legal documentation, which I had stated on my page again, say it was wrong because in Berlin, in Frankfurt, any EWS and EWD and one other place, once you have the original document, you can get your apostilled documentation in one day, not 24 hours, but in a few hours after you give them those documents, original ones. And as a original documenter, Jesus Christ according to me free show say German for and Europe for or anything. Europe is one of the strictest places in the world. When you go to the UK, you can drive with a Ghanaian license for 3 months. Canada the same, US the same. But Europe restricts and forbids these things because Europeans are very confused entities. Ain't in the Ghana man legal right in Palm. I mean, want to me from Germany and be claim widowhood benefits or any other thing for that matter, because German is a sovereign country. Ain't in another sovereign country ain't in German for the omonya den omonye. Ewa brabum, it will be criminally wrong. For say Ghana bet me I control German for and I control Krubia so because the Ghana court akasa, it doesn't work like that. And then they had claimed to say she was going to remove Odobroni, Omoko file a petition to remove Odobroni from the matrimonial home which her husband had placed there in for over 10 years. A property which is her benefit property because a down in dimu personally. So and then dimu pa legally no mupa Ghana 35 million people. 30 million can file a petition and it will still not move the court. If Odobroni is still using the same team as in lawyer Fati and lawyer Nyakomo to do these things, they cannot win any case. Because as per the PNDC law 111 of 1985, the matrimonial home belongs to the surviving spouse and children. Who is a surviving spouse? A surviving spouse is one that lived in that home with the man. So even if you are the man's wife and you did not live in that particular home, that the surviving wife or the girlfriend was placed in before his death. Legally, nobody can move you the fuck out. You don't have that right to move a person that was placed in a home by a man that had been with her. And it's not like they have just one child. That is accidental. 2 children. Well, maybe there was another mistake. But this girl has 7 children. Legal children that hold German citizenship, with the exception of the last one. You understand? So, and you might be, what is that evidence? Now, can you tell me exactly what evidence means?
Don't worry about it.
Legally, I would answer you. Legally, when it comes to the laws of a wife, Akosua Serwaa is not a wife because German never declared her as a wife. Therefore, Ghana cannot declare her as a wife for it to work anywhere. Number 2, only beneficiary of the legal occupant of that particular property, whoever is staying there, and whoever had stayed there when the man was alive, has the power to decide who comes in or who goes out. Either than that, if they try anything, the laws of trespassing, common Ghanaian laws and practices would go against them, and they can't go to jail if they try any rubbish. Public policy and family laws directly dignifies Odobroni and not Akosua Serwaa. In her submission to the court and all the nonsense Buhaha they are doing online, you can tell, say, 1, Akosua Serwaa knows Despite. 2, Akosua Serwaa knows Kempong. 3, Akosua Serwaa knows KKD. She knows Kwesi Ochredako. She knows most of the media people. She knows Biscout. She knows a whole lot of people. So if Akosua Serwaa had an issue with that Lumba, just as she's doing now after his death, she could have come out to these friends she's now using and insulting to talk to that Lumba as of that time when he was alive. Even when you are married, the laws of marriage states say, see, the only time you don't divorce when a partner is dead is when you are a customary marital partner. Your customary laws indicate it says so obi warewa ne se nipa no wumpa wo oba ne still we ebusuafo no nedia nti ebusuafo no have to support you and your children should you need anything legally. Intimacy ya waru customary na ukunu ewu ne ebusuafo ne di bone a wo busuani bi we busuani no oyesikani afa no court. Legally, ubedi kunim because say customary laws and ranitry say you worry by customary means ebusuafo must be able to take care of your children so be obia into bet me drag ebusuani bi always sika onim so ewukunu ebusuani edna kokota amana hwa woman by force eyamra ewo ho batie nim but say eba ordinance marriage na be mani wu ana ware na gu ebusuafo ne wo kabiem because eno no eye emra ware woni mra ne kasa and it says for better or for worse till death do us part. Entino se nipa ni wu a na emra no so egu amawo as oyere ana anything. If Akosua Serwaa had come in initially and claimed or had been truthful about on one stand as a woman, she would have gotten a lot of supporters, including myself. Because it's wrong for a woman to live with a man and then get bullied by a man, get cheated on by a man for inheritance purposes. So if she had come in truthfully and honestly and said, said that Lumba ne will no. But I am filing right now to the court to let you know, say, when it comes to the litigation of the estates, I mean that Lumba Judge me pacho ye document ni 1990s many Lumba ye sa ejapade we no odobroni nka ho ye say ejapade we no odobroni nka ho ye we that her lawyer could have filed it legally for her to sound like a decent human being. The laws of marriage requires you to live with your partner. You need to live in the house of the partner. You need to perform your conjugal right as a wife in cooking, cleaning, fixing, sleeping, fucking. All these things comes up and sums your responsibility as a wife. If any court tells you maliciously, say, yamau fixing so we yere, but yere na we no. Once na nipa no ho pen oti abrochwe na nipa no so te baby and ebia since 1995 since 5 years ago since 4 years ago nipa na wu wona ntanaye ba oti abrochwe oba court wantimi en show say meti abrochwe kwa no these are the receipts. I was there because I was caring for this person. Wantimi en show say receipts we nyina na sa oba Ghana na se bi nipa ne di oba afofra atena fie wa the court will share the property and give some to oba na Bema ne tena fie ono. Ye bema obi. But oba no so wo chefa e wo se japade enu legally because ono no ne bema no etena aye. Enu nti na saa actor no wu ye na wo willing ne japade ma ne house help na. Wone ne tena aye no maame no eba aye wone ne ma no mo de papa ne ekokot fe japade ono maame no ekokot fe japade no. You will not be able to win this case regardless. So wo lawyer or your papa so wo lawyer when your papa emrani are very clear. The PNDC law 111, the PNDC law 444, it stops you on so many nonsense. Sekase na ware tia enke yemu bebre ye betimi aware ne yakotena baby be ma ne wu ana oba ne wu ana abeje japade. What you say? If you claim, say, I was married to the man, but I was caring for the children. Okay, that's very good. But in caring for the children legally has breaks in school. There was summer break, there was spring break, there was autumn break, there was winter break, there were all of these breaks. Were you in Ghana with the children? She had claimed, yes, she was. What happened? Mostly she had claimed on the paper, she had been refused from seeing the man. Then Beman refused yes, so be home. That time not yes, no. Why did you not legally get a lawyer to file these things? Because in your 2018 submission from a lawyer, because you had a lawyer then, we could all tell, say, you know the laws. Because what about your state meji japade mienu na wo Germany no ene japade bia me no ye bia so meji medensa koma obusuafo mama gi atum nti aware ne de eni obiem minim se woni odobroni etim mama wu bebre in her own utterances, in her own words, she had claimed she knows. And on one words and so sanchro say na mom me 10 days one be divorce na me am divorce. At this point, what I think that Lumba taught, at this point, I can clearly state to you, say, that Lumba bisa no hosa mami pa wayari ana, na me ni ordinance awari biya, divorce men na me babaye. This is exactly what that Lumba had taught. In Germany, if you don't register your marriage in court, sa awari no eye fi awari, eye customary. Obema no fa bata no otu no to asese papa me pa cho obetimi akokot after 3 years akoka kire omo se mexra mo me ne bema na te customary marriage me hu no 3 years they will give you divorce paper alone as a woman. Into 3 years of non-existence or cohabitation together immediately puts you at a separated and permanent separated stand. What you say? Her letter no so no. Yes, thank you, Felix. She had indicated say Beman wa worry oba na on enete enunti and no one person on any better na. On top of that, no, we ye Bema we ye nipa bonefo ase be wa puno ama, we ye emotionally abusive, we ye Bema we ni kapre wa abrabom. Onu Akosua se wakra na see that lumba sen. Emma no. Thank you very much. Onu Akosua se one say be what did that lumba ni pedue ni na be see ho. She had claimed she produced his first song. Okay, which is good. You produced the first song. Did you produce any other person? Do you have any proof that indicates say you're a producer? Who documentation be actually say who producer no sika say na wo de shame e free bank ha you had claimed that lumba was owing your makoje 100,000 euros. Abrochwe hanum edit 10 years apart. You can still go to the court and they will give you your records of financial statements. When to me and for financial statement documentation amba. When to me and for letters amba. When to me and for screenshots amba of only that lumba kasa and asa mo discuss or do bruni and ABB patchomedase. But ye pe. And a lot of us, we saw you. Before we used to listen to you in his songs. Ye pewasem because it's a wakawaning you miss a wabre. Mamu wimfi Akosua Serwaa free se wabre wa me. The man had not left you out in anything. The man had acknowledged your effort in his life because no nimsa wa breno and by that time no breno. But and no boku nyina na yetie no. Was Akosua Serwaa, I thought I loved you. Sorry, I lied. Since me sure ba na won ketenkete. Ni bibi an ketenkete. That Lumba was not the talkative type, but all of his issues were within his songs. And right now, no, and no na ne botie ne kekedesa na no botie no na ufamua ba etimi feel sorry e madam.
So for montapi yanko baby aka 5k no manko.
Uti ase, I love you darling. Uti me who say that number a lot of men are dying because they don't talk. And remember be brave. Obi oh yes o kasa pe obi ka cho so be man kasa bra ho de ka wanu tu.
Abata be ko me gwa sole. Mo pin
Dikejwa.
Uti ase. Where wa bro?
Okay, mama ko mo de kakra. Da me jwa ba kasa de.